Hello, and welcome to another Healing Hearts segment. This month is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month, and I think it's really important to talk about the most common male mental health disorders to look for. Many men now in 2023 and beyond are seeking out therapy and seeking out help for the many different emotions that they feel, the many different symptoms they feel. And I think if you're a man watching this right now, you may be considering therapy, or you may be wondering what are some mental health disorders as a man that maybe I should look out for that are more prevalent currently in men that we're seeing. So, today I wanted to identify the most common male mental health disorders to look out for. The first one is depression. Male depression is currently one of the biggest mental health concerns for this population. So, according to the National Mental Health Institute, 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with major depressive disorder in their lifetime. So, this research indicates that men are substantially undiagnosed with depression. And if you're feeling like you are low or have lack of motivation or having other depression symptoms, it's okay to seek out help. The second one is anxiety. Right now, anxiety is one of the higher mental health disorders that we're seeing in men, and it also leads to higher rates of substance use. And also, people that have attention deficit disorder are more likely to have anxiety symptoms. Anxiety disorders that are often overlooked in men include panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and generalized anxiety disorder. Next is post-traumatic stress disorder. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, approximately 60% of men experience at least one trauma in their lives that's typically related to accidents, physical assaults, combat, or witnessing a death or injury, compared to just 50% of women. So we want to look out for symptoms for men that include physical pain, shame, fear, or an inability to show affection. And that may be a link to post-traumatic stress disorder, or also known as PTSD. Also, PTSD and substance abuse can also go hand in hand, which leads me to substance use disorder. Problematic drinking and other male substance abuse can be seen as socially acceptable for young men in our society. So therefore, it's often underlooked or unrecognized. However, men are more likely to abuse drugs and alcohol than women, and 11.5% of boys and men over 12 have a substance use disorder. So if you're watching this right now and you're thinking, these are some symptoms that I have, or you have a friend or family member that may be experiencing some of these symptoms, it's okay to get help. This month, we want to focus on men's mental health, and I want to thank you for joining me for another Healing Hearts segment.